New York terror. Who is Sayfullo Saipov? What we know about sick truck killer suspect. U.S. media have claimed Sayfullo Habibullaevic Saipov, 29, was taken into custody following the devastating incident near New York's World Trade Center building. After plowing into pedestrians, he is reported to have screamed Allahu Akbar. Police confirmed his shouts as he left his vehicle were consistent with a terrorist attack. Saipov is reportedly from Uzbekistan and traveled to the U.S. in 2010. At the time of his arrest, he is believed to have been carrying a Florida ID card which listed his address in Tampa. However, sources close to the investigation have claimed the man may have been staying in New Jersey before mounting the pavement with a rented Home Depot truck and unleashing chaos in Lower Manhattan. He is believed to have hit a school bus in the incident, injuring 2 adults and 2 children. Saipov is currently in surgery and is expected to survive his injuries, which were sustained after police shot him to bring an end to the carnage. He was armed with 2 weapons and began running before officers opened fire. The weapons later turned out to be imitation firearms. New York City Mayor Bill de Blasio has since described the attack as a cowardly act of terror aimed at innocent civilians, while President Trump described the alleged suspect as sick and deranged and sent out his condolences and prayers to the victims and families of the New York City terrorist attack. Witnesses reported hearing gunshots near Stuyvesant High School, a top-ranked public New York City school, at around 3 p.m. local time on Tuesday afternoon, which was later revealed to be a uniformed police officer as he took down the attacker. Bodies were pictured lying on the ground outside the school in what police are now treating as a terror attack. President Trump tweeted, "In Nick, looks like another attack by a very sick and deranged person. Law enforcement is following this closely. Not in the USA." He later followed the tweet with, "We must not allow ISIS to return or enter our country after defeating them in the Middle East and elsewhere. Enough." It is not yet clear whether the attacker had any links to Islamic State. In the UK, Prime Minister Theresa May said she was appalled by this cowardly attack in New York City, adding her thoughts are with all affected.